This is a second day videos, so I have to go vacation and I recorded this some videos. Today I have to share with you. I hope all of you well, and I hope you will like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel, because I am your brother. I think you don't want to support your brother. You don't want to ignore your brother. I think you have to support your brother and sisters. You have to support me. I am a MACC supporter company, and today I have to go vacations. I have some videos. This is the from Jeddah International Airports. So I have to share with you these videos because very hopefully and enjoying this timing. All people when going to vacation so much happy, and he is the enjoy so much. You also enjoy so much. So thanks for watching and thanks for supporting to me. Allah Hafiz.